Jesus! Jesus!
Mega TV.
Oga.
Mega TV.
Mega TV.
Where were you since that I've been knocking? I've been at it for over 20 minutes now. I've been knocking.
I'm sorry, sir. So
is there light?
I don't think so, sir.
I'll go and get this. If not because of our son, sometimes I would have known what I would have do to you.
Mega TV. 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 Mega
Jesus! Jesus!
What happened? Why?
Baby, you know what you're saying.
Mega TV. 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 Mega TV.
Mega TV. Mega TV.
Mega TV. Mega TV. Mega TV. Mega TV. Mega TV. Mega TV. Mega TV. Mega TV. Mega TV. Mega TV.
Why are you doing this to me? The last time I caught you was in the kitchen. Why are you doing this to me?
Explain.
What can you explain? What are you going to explain?
It's just that you cannot satisfy me now. Your thing is too small for me.
Dissolve!
That's why I cannot do with that. It's too small for me.
So it can satisfy you.